as Waldo. I think you'll find him down at the Monte Carlo.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, PhillyWaldo here, back again with another traveling adventure. And on today's adventure, we are heading out west. And in this case, the west side isn't necessarily the best side, because today starts a 3-game series of interstate National League action. That's right, folks. Pirates, Phillies. And guess what? We are heading to Pittsburgh. What's that? Uh-huh. 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 So they don't actually call it that out there. I see. We're headed to Pittsburgh. So you guys don't know how excited I am for this trip. And me and my friends, boy, are we ready for this. We've been going out to Pittsburgh for, I would say, the last 2 or 3 years now. And it is definitely one of the highlights of each season. So we're just waiting on a package to arrive at my house, hopefully within the next hour or so. Once we get that, we are getting on the road and we're heading out to Pittsburgh. So come along with me as I take you to see the sights, the sounds, the smells, the steel. Man, there's really a lot of S-related words when you talk about Pittsburgh. So come along with me as I take you to the Steel City. So guys, I gotta be honest with you here. I think I kind of f***ed up. Made a left turn in Altoona and stopped at this place to use the bathroom and get some snacks. And apparently I am at this place. Yikes. So I guess wish me luck in here. What the hell? Check this out. Since when did Sheetz start selling popcorn? Interesting. Okay, let's since we're stopped here, I guess let's do a honest review of Sheetz popcorn. It comes in this like 32-ounce cup, and I think I overdid it with the popcorn butter, as you can probably tell by the coloring. But if you have the rewards card, fortunately like I do, this right here was only the low price of $2. So let's see how this eats. Ugh. All right, Sheetz popcorn. Cheers. Surprisingly, this is not bad. Tastes like something that you would probably get at a movie theater. Butter was nice and even. I did that trick that I saw on Facebook where if you put a straw in the middle of the, either it's the cup or a popcorn bucket, and you dispense the butter into the straw itself, it helps distribute the butter evenly throughout the popcorn. And that was a very well. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give that a good 7.4. It was surprisingly really good. Now, on to our next adventure. Okay, I'm going to try to do this quick before the rain, because it's getting pretty bad out here. But If you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that, you might know about this. But for the new folks that are watching, a personal tradition of mine that I always like to do every time I come to Pittsburgh is I come here to idolize someone that I grew up watching a lot of on television when I was a kid. I am currently at the Unity Cemetery in Latrobe, which is a little over an hour or so's drive away from Pittsburgh. And I'm here to once again pay my respects to someone that I idolized when I was a kid. And in my opinion, he is, without a doubt, one of the greatest, if not the greatest host in all of children's television, and the host of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, Fred Rogers. So, not only is Mr. Rogers buried here, but so is his late wife, Joanne, and a few of Fred's relatives. And they are all located in this little corner lot here in the cemetery. So, not only is Mr. Rogers buried here in Latrobe, but this is also the location in which he grew up as a kid. His childhood home is only a few miles from where we are currently, and also nearby is a park that is next to a children's arts and science museum that has a statue of Mr. Rogers sitting on a bench. So I think what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to that park right now. You know, I gotta say, Mr. Rogers, it is truly a beautiful day in this neighborhood, and I just want to thank you for all that you have done for children's television. Now let's get out of here before it starts raining. Okay, so just leaving Latrobe now, about to head over to our Airbnb in Pittsburgh. Couple facts about Latrobe that I forgot to mention. The first one's going to sound cheesy as all hell, but Latrobe is the location of the origination, yes, that did rhyme, for the Banana Split Sundae. So not only is Latrobe the hometown of Mr. Rogers, but it is also the birthplace of legendary golfer and pioneer of a certain half-and-half liquid beverage, Arnold Palmer. In fact, there's actually a lot of interesting facts about Pittsburgh that I'll just put, like, here. So, gonna head over to our Airbnb now. Gonna start making that journey very shortly here. Gonna try to beat the rain because it is getting very gray outside. And so yeah, so the next time I'll see is we're almost getting ready to head over to Pittsburgh. Well, I hope they get this game in tonight, because this weather is not looking too good. Yikes.
Cut off. Continue on US 22 West for 4 miles.
That diner back there was called Dick's. That's pretty funny, if you ask me. Man, this traffic and this weather is like Todd. Boy, does it suck.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
So, is this the Pittsburgh equivalent of Schuylkill Expressway traffic? Because this right here absolutely sucks. You know when you're getting closer to Pittsburgh when you see this. It's tunnel time.
Corropolese?
That's where I go sometimes. I could have looked them up.
Where?
6606. Over there. Maybe.
Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me right now because it is very loud in here, but as you guys will probably already know by now, we are currently in a rain delay here in Pittsburgh. It is just after 7 o'clock. I'm not sure exactly how long this rain is going to last. It might be a little bit longer. We're currently across the street here at this place called Mike's Beer Bar. Taking cover because when we were walking across the Clemente Bridge, all of us got absolutely soaked. So we're in here right now, having some drinks, drying off here. I'm just gonna wait it out until the game's gonna start. So we'll see you then. All right, I look a hell of a lot better now. It is currently almost. God damn it!
So why'd you pull out?
I'm not.
All right, so it is after 7:30. We're just walking along the little bank here of whatever river this is. We have an update. The game is scheduled to start very shortly at approximately 8 o'clock. The skies are starting to clear up just a little bit around here. It is pretty gray still. It stopped raining a long time ago, thankfully. So we're just gonna walk around here for a bit and then start making our way inside PMT Park for tonight's game. Y'all are nuts.
Oh, okay. Hurry and tell us wonderful thing. Oh, I bet they're good. She said you were part of the origin of the Todd.
Come on, Luke. 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 Wherefore art thou, Luke? Alright, try again later, I guess. See, this here is just not cool.
I'm just yelling around. That spot was
So not sure what is going on with assuming that's the Pirates manager. I'm gonna say everyone is equally as confused on to what's going on. Are they arguing? Okay, so we're about halfway through walking around the stadium here at our friend Greg's first time. What are your thoughts so far?
nice stadium, man. But not as good as Citizens Bank.
Yeah, it is. It's not as crowded tonight, I guess, because of the weather being weird. Just walking around the food lines, they're not as crowded as when I've been here the past couple of years. Hey, what's going on, brother?
It's all Phillies fans out.
Exactly. It is a lot. You can tell it's there's a lot. We're taking over this place this weekend, just so you know. Go, 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 down. Trey Turner with the double.
Waldo's love! Woo! Still counts.
We're all equally as confused.
No one's saying I won after all of the hullabaloo that we would have been down. Because you know how a lot of people were cheering? I thought we were down.
All right, 2-1, top three.
Get in the window. Get in the window.
Yeah, it's like 9 Phillies fans here.
This is a really cool view.
It is. It's also good views walking around. It's a rock concert.
Ding! Ding.
But non-audio also counts. I made my own rules. Come on, Casty! Yeah, Nick! Woo!
So they got the Stanley Cup final on over at the One TV over by this one bar. Looks like Edmonton just took the lead again in the first period. Game is already Edmonton 3-2. All right, top 4 games tied at 2. All right, you two lovebirds. Permani Brothers, your first time. What do you think?
Question.
Oh, wait, hold it.
They put French fries on a sandwich. You can't beat that.
No, you cannot. And you got the coleslaw, they got the tomatoes. It's a whole thing.
You know, my only complaint, toast the bread. Make it crunchy. Toast, it's all toast.
So, do you guys know the history?
Biggest negative.
I like it. The toast the bread.
So the history behind it is where it originated, which is where I want to take you guys for the actual experience. That's where a lot of the truck drivers would go and get some food. So that's why they put all the French fries and stuff in one, because they got to do work with one hand, they need to eat with the other hand. So that's kind of how everything.
The whole meal in one sandwich.
Exactly.
I like it.
And it's very, very good. All right, still top 4. Game is still tied at 2. It's now time for the PhillyWaldo and Stadium and Poop Review. Today, we have ourselves one of the newer items here at PNC Park. They're calling it the Polish Cannonball. According to what our one Fred said, it looks like a hush puppy that's got some kielbasa, some noodles. It's a whole different thing. And it's got a little sour cream dipping sauce. It looks really, really good. So we're gonna see now how it eats. All right, so we got the cannonball and a little dip sauce. All right, let's try it. Cheers. It is not bad. I mean, it's a little on the colder side because I think I left it in a little bit too long.
Like it in there?
Yeah.
Good bite.
How about it? There we go.
Dips in little sour creams. It's everything they said it was gonna have.
Yeah, I thought it'd be a little bit warmer. I mean, probably because I left it in a little bit too
Well,
long.
we did wait a minute.
That is true, yeah.
But that's good.
But it's actually not bad. I would probably give it on
What's that flavor? It tastes like sauerkraut.
I don't think I tasted more of the, I guess more of the noodles, if that makes sense, and then a little bit of the breading.
Potato-y part.
That's probably what I was tasting too. I thought if there were a
It
little
reminds
bit.
me of like a potato pancake but fried.
Exactly, yeah. It's a little. One negative thing. 3 of them, 3 or 4 of them, $15.
$5 per hush puppy.
Yeah, it's. But other than that, it was pretty good. I'd probably give it
What's your $5 merch credit?
for the drink I did,
Ah.
because I couldn't find it. Is that 2 runs scored? It is 2 runs. All right. Is that JT? All right. Crazy things are happening in here in the top of the 4th. I think it was. I don't know who the hell that is on second base because I cannot see from here. But 2 runs scored, and the Phillies are up by the score of 4-2. Now, when it comes to the Polish Cannonballs, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give it 7-1. Okay, not too bad. If I had it right away, it would have been a lot better. And if it probably would have had a little bit more stuff, then yeah. But that's the review. Now, back to the game. There's Jordan Romano in the bullpen doing some whatever kind of stretches he's planning on doing. Go.
It's time for the great Pittsburgh Invasion. Brought to you by the folks at Mrs. Cheese Properties. Under the Friday Night Lights, let's go. Get set, go!
Come on, Red!
Getting
finish. Come on, Red. Get your shit together. Oh my. I don't care if I ever root for the Phillies. It's a shame for it's 1, 2, 3. With the 1-2-3 inning in the bottom of the 8th. It's a hell of an outing there. All right, top 9. Game is tied at 4. Brandon Marsh is leading off. Things are going to be getting very interesting here. So we're going to see what happens. So it looks like Max Kepler is pinch hitting for Rojas here in the 9th. Let's see what he does. A little low. That's foul.
But you still have to see a no-hitter.
Bottom of the 9th, bases are loaded for Pittsburgh, no outs, and then O'Neill cruises up the bat. Yeah, this is not looking too good. All right, there's one. Foul ball. 2-2, 1 out. And that'll do it. Sack fly.
Alright, who we lose so far?
Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
See you, Jeeves.
Where's Bryce? Where's Bryce at?
Well, that game was Phils lose on a sac fly. Walk off in the 9th. Final score, Pirates 5, Phillies 4. So we're just gonna meet up with some friends right now at one of our favorite little dive establishments here near the campus of the University of Pittsburgh, little place called Jeans. It's probably one of our favorite parts of our trip here a couple years ago. And it's a nice little place, so we're gonna take you over there now and see what kind of messes we can get into. So in the second overtime of Game 2, Florida wins it. Series is now tied at a game apiece.
I don't know how to zoom. How do you zoom?
I'll show you later.
All right. I don't know how to zoom in though, but here's the bar. Here's all the bar. Go Phils! Go Phils! Go Phils! Phils always! Let's go! See a lot of Phils fans over here. This is quality footage, Waldo. You better not cut this. You better not cut this from the dock.
I won't. So we're here playing some darts, trying to get some revenge on my friend Nolan from back down in Clearwater. And wait for it, bullseye, bitch.
How do you feel about your chances, Nolan? Do you think you're gonna win?
I don't know. I'll make him out a comeback.
Yeah, I'm failing a comeback. Good.
So this is the that we do at 2:30 in the morning. Just watching a little bit of Always Sunny in Philadelphia.
We know a film thing.